Hey everyone, today in this video we are going to see Verizon versus T-Mobile, which carrier is better for coverage, speed and value. Verizon 5G home internet delivers the fastest speed up to 1000 Mbps for $70 per month standalone or as low as $45 per month with a Verizon mobile plan, but its coverage is limited mostly to urban and select suburban areas and is highly reliable where available. T-Mobile 5G home internet offer broader nationwide coverage, especially reaching rural and suburban regions, with the speeds typically between 133 and 415 Mbps for $50 to $70 per month standalone or $35 to $55 per month with a T-Mobile line and is praised for consistent reliability and customer satisfaction. If you want the highest speeds and live in a covered area, Verizon is best for wider coverage and better value for most household. T-Mobile in the top choice. Speed Verizon versus T-Mobile provider Verizon plan name 5G home download speed typical or max 85 to 300 in Mbps up to 300 in Mbps upload speed typical or max 10 to 20 Mbps Verizon plan name 5G Home Plus, download speed 300 and 2000 Mbps up to 1 Gbps, upload speed 25 to 75 Mbps. Provider T-Mobile plan name Home Internet, download speed typical or max 87 to 415 Mbps, max 415 Mbps, upload speed 14 to 56 Mbps. Verizon offer higher maximum speed, especially on the 5G Home Plus plan, reaching up to 1 Gbps in select areas. T-Mobile typically delivers speed between 87 to 415 Mbps depending on location and network conditions. Price Verizon Home Internet versus T-Mobile 5G. Plan 5G Home price with mobile bundle $35 per month. Standalone price $50 per month. Download speed Mbps 85 to 300 in upload speed 10 to 50. Data cap unlimited. Contract none. Equipment fee 0. Price guarantee 3 years. Plan 5G Home Plus price with mobile bundle $55 per month. Standalone price $70 per month. Download speed Mbps 300 into 1000. Upload speed 50 to 100. Data cap unlimited. Contract none. Equipment fee $0. Price guarantee 4 years. Price variation. Standalone price $50 per month for 85 to 300 Mbps 5G Home. $70 per month for 300 into 1000 Mbps 5G Home Plus. Discounted price $35 per month for 5G Home or $45 per month for 5G Home Plus if bundled with an eligible Verizon mobile plan and auto pay. T-Mobile price plan name Relay price with auto pay $50 per month price with voice line $35 per month speed up to approximately 100 to 300 in Mbps. Note 5-year price guarantee unlimited data. Plan name Amplified. Price with autopay $60 per month. Price with voice line $45 per month. Speed up to approximately 133 to 415 Mbps. Notes 5-year price guarantee unlimited data. Plan name All In. Price with autopay $70 per month. Price with voice line $55 per month. Speed up to 2 Gbps. Notes 5-year price guarantee unlimited data. Price variations. Standalone price $50 per month for up to 318 Mbps relay internet, $60 to $70 per month for up to 415 Mbps amplified or all-in internet. Discounted price $35 per month on relay or $45 to $55 per month on amplified or all in with eligible T-Mobile voice line and auto pay. Both providers offer similar starting price $50 per month with discount down to $35 per month if you bundle with a mobile line and use auto pay. Verizon's 5G Home Plus offers the biggest top speeds up to 1000 Mbps but only in select areas. No data cap, no equipment fee and no contract for either provider. T-Mobile provides a longer price guarantee 5 years and broader coverage, especially in rural or suburban region. Higher tier T-Mobile plan include MASH, Wi-Fi and 24/7 support, while Verizon offers streaming perks and device promotions on select plans. In summary, Verizon gives you the fastest potential speed and strong bundle discount, while T-Mobile offers broader coverage, a long price lock, and more plan choice at similar price point. Your best value depends on your location, speed needs, and whether you already use either provider for mobile service. Coverage and reliability. T-Mobile has the broadest 5G home internet coverage, especially strong in rural and suburban areas due to its use of both 4G LTE and 5G network. Verizon offers faster and more consistent speed where its 5G ultra wideband is available, but its coverage area is smaller than T-Mobile's. Best 5G ISP, which should you choose? Choose Verizon 5G home internet if you want the fastest possible speed and live in an area with a strong Verizon 5G ultra wideband coverage. Choose T-Mobile 5G home internet if you want wider availability, reliable service in more locations, and a straightforward, affordable price. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.